Ladies, have you been to the grocery store lately? I went yesterday to buy ingredients for a simple salad, and I nearly fainted at the checkout. $6 for lettuce? $5 for tomatoes? And don't get me started on the price of organic veggies. It feels like eating healthy is becoming a luxury we can't afford. But what if I told you that you could slash that bill in half? What if you could walk out your back door and pick free, fresh, organic food every single day? Today, I'm going to show you how. I used to think gardening was hard work. I imagined sweating in the sun, digging up heavy dirt, and dealing with creepy bugs. I didn't have time for that. I'm a busy woman, but buying organic at the store was draining our family budget. Plus, half the time, the veggies would rot in the fridge before we could eat them. I wanted a solution that was easy, didn't require heavy lifting, and worked in my small backyard space. That's when I discovered the inflation-proof garden system. It's designed specifically for high yield and small spaces. It taught me that you don't need a huge farm, you just need a smart layout. I learned about square foot gardening and vertical planting, growing up instead of out. The best part? It focuses on the money crops, the expensive stuff like herbs, salad greens, and cherry tomatoes that save you the most cash at the store. It was so simple. No heavy machinery, just simple raised beds and pots that anyone can manage. Now, my backyard is my grocery store. Need basil for pasta? I just snip it. Need a fresh crunch for lunch? I pick it. The taste is incredible, so much sweeter than store-bought, and my kids actually love eating vegetables they pick themselves. Last month alone, I calculated we saved over $200 on groceries. And honestly, tending to my little garden with a cup of coffee in the morning has become my favorite me time. You don't have to be a victim of inflation. You have the power to grow your own abundance. I've linked the beginner-friendly guide I used in the description below. It tells you exactly what to plant and when for maximum savings. Click the link and start your inflation-proof garden this weekend. Trust me, your wallet and your family will thank you.